I'm literally one of those girls who sees a single leaf on the ground and I'm like, let's go. Good morning! Just imagine you're going to write a 7-page paper and then your computer dies and you lose all your work. Or how about filming an entire video out of focus? It's fun. I'm fine. We're fine. So, at any point throughout this video that goes out of focus, I am about to get ready to go to work. I am doing a photo shoot today and a Facebook video live tonight, so I've got to get glam. Today's look is a little bit fall, not extremely fall, but just enough to transition into fall. I am going to do some darker colors just to get ready for fall. The first thing I'm going to do today to get my face ready and prepped is use the Olay Complete Daily Moisturizer. I love this stuff because it's really light and creamy and it has an SPF in it. Then I'm going to go in with some rose oil collagen serum and just apply that all over my face as well. Okay, now I'm going to prime my face with e.l.f.'s Mineral Infused Face Primer, and I love this stuff. It's not super heavy and it's been my go-to lately. Now I'm going to start with my foundation. The foundation that I have been obsessing with for probably the past year is Too Faced Born This Way. It's so good. And I'm going to be using my Real Techniques Beauty Blender. I got this in a pack off Amazon. So I'm just going to put 2 pumps on the back of my hand. And let's get to beating. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with the Be Bright Illuminating Concealer. I love this. It's by Kokie. Dab, 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 dab. Who is excited for Halloween season on YouTube? I never did Halloween tutorials because I don't really know how. So just to make it, you know, a little more entertaining, I think that it would be really fun for me to try to do like a special effects makeup look instead of like an actual makeup look. So if you would like to see that, definitely let me know down below. It seems really interesting. I kind of want to see if I can do it. It's going to be like what you see on Pinterest versus what it really is. What your girl looks like versus what you cheated on her with. Whenever you get a new beauty blender, me versus you get it. Now I'm going to go in with powder. I have been loving the Hello Flawless by Benefit. I've probably used this for about a year as well as my foundation. I love the combination together. I think it's really, really pretty and flawless. And I'm going to be using my powder brush. This is a set that I got on Amazon. If you type in Amazon mermaid brushes, then they should pop up. Now we're going to bronze, one of my favorite parts. If you ever look in the mirror and you're like, why do I look like a peeled potato? It's because you don't have bronzer on, sis. One of my favorite bronzers that I'm using right now is the NYX Matte Bronzer. I'm going to be using my favorite e.l.f. brush. It's a kabuki brush. I'm going to move into contouring. This is my favorite contour palette as of right now. It is the Wet n Wild. Don't y'all sleep on Wet n Wild. This is really, really good for baking, so we're going to bake. This is the brush that I contour with. It is the Sephora Pro Contour Brush, and it is really, really good. You want to go from where your mouth is to the top of your ear. So about right there. I don't always contour my nose, but usually I take whatever's left on that brush and then I just kind of go real quick down the sides just to give it a little bit more definition. snatched. We're gonna bake while we move on to brows and eyeshadow and the rest of the look. So this is another brush from the mermaid kit. Look how freaking cute, I'm obsessed. While we're baking, we're going to move on to eyebrows and the rest of the look. To fill in my eyebrows, I use the e.l.f. eyebrow duo. It looks just like this, and it comes with a darker gel color, and then it comes with like a lighter, almost like a taupe brown powder. So what I do is I use a angled flat brush. Let's move on to eyeshadow. So the first thing I'm going to do is prime with the Ulta Eye Tinted in Pearl. I'm going to pick up a flat brush by Wet n Wild, and I'm going to be using the Naked 2 Basics, and I'm going to go in with the first light color right here and put that all over my lid. This is the Tapered brush by Elizabeth Mott. And I'm going to go in with a transition shade. I'm going to pick up the shade Frisk right here and apply that just on the top of my crease. Okay, now using that same palette, I'm going to pick up Primal right here. This is a more defined brush. This is part of the Mermaid collection as well. Now I'm going to go back in with the first brush that I used and really soften the edges. Next, I'm going to use a smaller brush, part of the Mermaid collection as well, and then go in with my Tarte Tease palette that I love. It has a lot of gorgeous colors, and I'm going to pick up the darkest color right here, and this is called Heartbreaker. Using a fluffy blending brush, I'm just going to smoke that out. Now I'm going to pick up NYX Foil Play eyeshadow. This is in the color Barque? It's a really pretty gorgeous like coppery color. And I'm going to be doing a little bit of a cut crease moment. Now, just to do a little bit more of a glam look, I'm going to go in with the NYX glitter, and this is in the color Copper, and this is just going to really make my eyes pop in pictures. You can skip the step if you want a little bit more pop like me, a little bit more extra like me, then here we go. This is also part of the Mermaid collection, the brush that I used to put on the full eyeshadow, and I just wet it with some facial mist, and then I'm going to pick up the glitter and then just lightly dab that all over my eyelid. I'm going to go back in with the Basics 2 and pick up the first two colors that I used in the very beginning for my transition shade and really smoke out the bottom of my lash line. I was going to do a winged eyeliner because I love winged eyeliners, but because this look is really bright and pops think I'm just going to do a thin line and then I'm going to add lashes. I'm going to be using NYX Vinyl Liquid Liner, and this stuff is awesome and it's only like $7. You cannot beat that. I went ahead and did lashes and mascara. The mascara that I use is my all-time favorite drugstore mascara. It's the Voluminous Original, and the falsies that I'm wearing today is the twin pack from Ardell, and I love these because it's a little bit glam but still nothing too crazy, and in case you mess up like I do all the time, then it comes with 2 packs to brighten up the inner corner and my brow bone. We're going to go in with my favorite highlighter. It is the Master Chrome. I don't know if you've heard of these, they're amazing. This is in the color Molten Rose Gold, and this one's in gold. So what we're going to do is mix this to have a really bright popping inner corner. To finish off the look, we're gonna go with highlighter and cheeks. My favorite blush right now is Galifornia by Benefit. Am I the only one that realized this is Galifornia, not California? I'm gonna go in with a fluffy brush by Wet n Wild. Now it's time to ice the cake. My favorite highlighter brush is the Rounded Soft Blend by Mint Pear. This is the M64, and I love it. It's really, really good. It fits right where I want the highlighter. So I'm going to go back in with the Master Chromes, and I'm going to mix and ice. I'm going to be using a NYX lip liner in brown. Then I'm going to be using the Victoria's Secret liquid color. And this is in the color Feme. It's one of my favorite colors because it's so warm and it's so beautiful. And I thought it would go really good with this look. Then I'm going to go in with the Foil Play eyeshadow that I used earlier. Dab a little bit on my finger and then put that right in the center of my lips. This is my favorite NYX lip gloss. This is the Creme Brulee in the Butter Gloss collection, and I'm obsessed with this. Now to finish the look off, I'm going to be using the NYX Dewy Finish Spray. Real quick, I'm going to curl my hair, and the wand that I am obsessed with is this wand. It's from the brand called Lange or Lange. It's L-A-N-G-E. I'll put the description and the link. I hate myself. I will put the link in the description. First thing you want to do is grab your teasing comb and tease, tease, tease. The key to remember is the bigger the hair, the closer you are to God. Then I'm going to be taking my favorite hairspray in the entire world. It is Big Sexy Hairspray and Play Harder. This stuff is amazing, and trust me, your hair is not moving. I'm not going to spend too much time on my hair today because I was supposed to leave like, you know, 20 minutes ago. A fun fact about me, I am the world's latest person. It just be like that sometimes, you know what I'm saying? Whenever I curl it, I like to wrap it all the way around, and at the very end I kind of hold out the very tip of it because I like the way it creates more of like a beach wave. Oh wait, gotta put on my hoops because you know what they say, the bigger the hoop, the bigger the. Okay guys, so that is the finished finished look, just a real quick glam photo shoot look. I really hope that you guys liked it. If you want to see more videos like this, my favorite are the get ready with me videos. How many times am I going to clap my hands? Please comment down below of other videos that you want to see in the future, because I am so excited about creating more content for you guys. If you have not already, don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I promise you I'll see you in my next video. Bye!